it's Kristen. I am going to show you a favorite product of mine. It is the Splash Liquid Matte Lipstick by Younique. It lasts for hours and hours and hours, and I'm going to show you my favorite color. There's about 15 colors, so out of 15, I'm going to show you my favorite color, and I'm also going to show you how to apply it to get it to last forever and be nice and smooth and matte. So what you're going to want to do first before you even put on the liquid matte lipstick is use your Younique Lip Exfoliator. I love how this comes in a lipstick tube, so you don't have to worry about getting your lips full of the scrub, and it is a natural sugar scrub. I'm just going to put it on your lips and rub it around to exfoliate. What that's going to do is get off any of the dry skin that's on your lips, so your liquid matte lipstick is going to apply nice and smooth and not have any bumps and ridges and last you for hours and hours. So use this natural sugar scrub by Younique first, and you can wipe some of it off or put it on before you do your makeup and it'll start to disintegrate on its own. So here's what you do when you put on your liquid matte lipstick. This is my favorite color. It's Stellar. We have, like I said, we have about 16 to choose from. So if this is not your favorite, I can help you find yours. And you're just going to apply to the bottom. Use the tip to kind of line the top. And rub together. Now you're going to have lasting power through eating, through drinking, for hours and hours with the Splash Liquid Matte Lipstick. Again, this color is in Stellar. This is my favorite one. I can help you find yours. Remember to use your lip exfoliator before your liquid matte lipstick. Thanks for watching, guys.